Are you wanting to start Amazon FBA but struggling to find deals? Well, today we have a video which should help you because we're going to be showing you 5 more Amazon FBA deals people are actually selling right now, and we'll be showing you the exact place you can buy them from. So welcome back to the Profitl YouTube channel. As always, please do hit that subscribe button for Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday. Now today we're stepping back into the wonderful world of Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and we're focusing on sourcing products, which is probably the hardest part about Amazon. How do you find deals? So these 5 deals we found in the month of September, and they were sent into our Deal of the Day feature. Now, if you don't know what Deal of the Day is, this is a free feature we have for all Profitl members in our Discord community. We send in 1 to 2 potential Amazon deals Monday to Friday for free, just to give our users inspiration on the types of deals out there, where they should be looking, what they should be looking for, and so on. So we hope these deals today also give you some inspiration on the types of things you should be selling. Now, all of these deals are online arbitrage deals. So this means that we're buying them from retailers' websites. And this is a great way to get started with the world of selling on Amazon. And the reason for this is it's very cost effective. You don't need to buy a huge amount of products to get started. And it allows you a lot more flexibility with making mistakes, because being honest, when starting Amazon, the chances are you're going to make mistakes. You'll probably buy things you may not buy. If you're not investing too much, you can afford to make these mistakes, but hopefully watching our videos will minimize these even further, and that's another reason to hit that subscribe button. But I've talked enough now, let's get into some actual Amazon deals. So first up, we have a product from Morrison's, and it is this Ambrosia Devon Custard, and you're probably thinking, who on earth buys this on Amazon? Well, everything sells on Amazon. Now this is a slightly different deal because this is what we call a multi-pack deal. So we can buy one of these for £2.99. It's a pack of 6. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see a pack of 12 is selling for £16.99. So what we'd do is we'd buy 2 of these, combine them into a single unit, which is going to cost us £6. And of course, we'd actually buy a lot more and combine them into these single units. But it's going to cost us £6 per unit, and we're hopefully going to be selling it for £16.99. So quickly running you through some of the core data we're looking at on the Profitl Chrome extension. So not a crazy seller, only 9 to 26 sales a month, but there wasn't a huge amount of competition. So currently there's only 3 other FBA sellers on this listing, but this one had a really healthy profit. So £4.51 profit per unit, giving us a 73% return on investment. And deals like this just show the types of things you can actually sell. It's not just single item products you can sell. You can make money selling custard, and you can use this same method as well. You can also look to do multi-packs. You can look to do bundles as well, so you can bundle up different products and create your own Amazon listing. And it's this thinking outside the box, which is always great when selling on Amazon. So moving on to deal number 2, and we're heading over to the website Home Bargains. So this is actual Home Bargains product, and it's one of their trucks. It's a toy truck. It's a die-cast model, which we can buy for £5.99. Now we'll head over to Amazon like we always do, and we can see it sells on Amazon for £13.09. So we're going to buy for £5.99, sell for £13. Now, of course, we're not guaranteed to sell this for £13. There's a good chance this price will drop, but that's why we analyze all the deals. We look at price graphs, we check the average prices. So there is a lot more which goes into actually analyzing FBA deals. But today we're just showing you the pure basics of Amazon FBA and the sort of products you can sell. So quickly loading it up on the Profitl Chrome extension. So slightly better sales on this one, 34 to 52 units a month. £2.11 profit, giving us a 34% return on investment. So just above our base rate we like to get. So we like to get at least 30% as a minimum. And only 2 other FBA sellers on this listing. And between them, one's got 2 in stock, one's got 4 in stock. So you've got a really good chance of getting on that all important buy box. And if you don't know what a buy box is, the buy box is this section here, the add to basket buy now button. Whoever is the seller on this box gets all of the sales. And this is why it's so important to get on this buy box, because if you get on it, you're going to get all these sales. Now, how do you get on the buy box? Typically, it's the cheapest seller. Now, we do recommend not to keep dropping your price Amazon does rotate the buy box between sellers. So if you come onto this listing and you put your price of £13.09, you would get a share of the buy box. So it's really important not to get into pricing wars. Now, before we did get into the next deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive Profitl YouTube discount code. If you don't know what Profitl is, we are an Amazon FBA software. We have a deal analyzer, which is a mobile app and a Chrome extension. We have a DealFinder, which is a portal of potential FBA deals. Wholesale scanner, a Discord community with over 5,000 people in, account manager, free FBA course. We really do cover Amazon FBA from starting right through to becoming successful. So we'll make it pop up just here. It's going to save you either 5% on yearly plans, which already have over 50% off, or 20% on monthly plans, and it'll also be down in the description as well. So make sure to take that down if you are looking to save some money on your Profitl subscription. So next up, we're heading over to Asda, and this is another multi-pack deal. As mentioned, multi-packs are a great way to earn profit on Amazon. So we can buy one of these sensitive skin shower creams for £1 each. Now we'll head over to Amazon, where we can see a pack of 6 is selling for £14.99. We can buy these for £6 each, combine them, and we can sell them for £14.99. So on Profitl, decent sales, 65 to 114 units a month. Not a bad profit, so £3.19 profit per unit, giving us a 51% return on investment. And you may think profit like this isn't huge, but the key with Amazon FBA is selling lots of different items. So these small amounts of profit really do add up. If you do want a higher profit amount, then realistically you need to be selling your own branded items, doing private label or doing wholesale. With arbitrage, you're rarely going to get massive profits. You can get up to 100% return on investment, which of course isn't bad, but arbitrage is very competitive just because it is that little bit easier to get started. Now let's move on to our fourth product, and this one is from My Farmer, and this is Bioderma Gel, which we can buy for £4.21 each. Now, heading over to Amazon, we can see it sells for £9.99, so over double the price, which is absolutely great. Checking out on Profitl, we can see it sells between 33 to 56 times a month, and it's making £2.18 profit per unit. 49% return on investment. The Profitl rankings, which is a really good indicator of how good it is, 84 out of 100. 4 other FBA sellers, and here's their stock. So one's got 10, one's got 6, one's got 4, one's got 5. So not too much competition either. And competition, of course, is very important to look at because they're the people going to be competing against for that all important buy box. Now onto the fifth and final deal, and this one is from another supermarket in the UK. So this is from Tesco, and this is a club card offer. So we can buy these for £4.25, usually £6. So a small saving of £1.75. Let's head over to Amazon, where we can see it sells for £12.50. So buying for £4.25, selling for £12.50. So about triple the price, which is great, means our profit is going to be very good. So 80% return on investment, giving us £3.56 profit per unit. 33 to 56 sales a month, so a decent seller, and only 4 other FBA sellers. And between these 4 FBA sellers, they've got 2, 3, 3, and 5, and a great Profitl ranking as well, so 84 out of 100. So a great potential deal there. Now, as I mentioned earlier, when we're actually going to buy deals, we are looking at these in a lot more detail. We do look at a lot more data points. So please don't think you can just buy a product because it's selling for more on Amazon. There is a lot more which goes into it than that. But we really hope that has given you some good inspiration on the types of deals out there. Now, we do always like to be transparent and remind people we don't really recommend to buy these deals we've shown you today, just because all of these get sent into our Discord community, and we have over 5,000 people in there, so they do get seen by quite a lot of people. And although we tell people not to buy these, some people do, which does mean the competition is increased. It is really important just to use these deals as inspiration. And as well as this, please remember a lot of these products you're going to be gated in, so you will need to get ungated to sell these. We have done videos about this in the past. We'll link one just up here. So if you do want to learn about getting ungated, make sure to check that out as well. Now that's all for today's video. We hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comments and I can get them answered. And if you have any other videos you'd like us to make, put them down in the comment. But that's all for today. We'll see you in the next video.